As I mentioned in the text associated with this video, I'm not actually able to host this documentation outside of the Citi network or copy any code so that I can host it and run it locally within my portfolio uh, or my application website to share with you. So instead, I'll have to give you this video tutorial. But a quick overview of what my team is and what I do. We are the Common UI Components library team. We implement all of the reusable web components used throughout Citi. Not only that, but we implement and manage the design language from a CSS perspective for what we call the digital design language. It's our style system here within Citi. What you're looking at here is our Angular implementation of these components. We also have a jQuery and an Angular implementation, and we also manage, over here, we manage the documentation for the design language itself. So I'm going to give more of an overview, but our main customer is the Citibank Online application. This is the primary consumer banking application for Citi, and it's our primary area of focus. We've been converting from jQuery to Angular over the past 2 years, and so our primary focus on my team has been to stand up and improve this library for consuming teams to be able to use this library to develop their pages more rapidly and adhere to the digital design language. In the next pages, and my role is I am now the dev lead, but I actually started out as a contractor, just a simple developer, and I was actually able to create a lot of these components. But now as dev lead, I've been able to direct a lot of the direction of the way we do things, including the creation of this documentation itself. I'm going to talk about how this documentation has been a design challenge for us and how it's been received and improved adoption throughout the organization. I'll also be talking about what my role is in the organization with respect to accessibility, which is adhering to the Americans with Disabilities Act, leveraging the WCAG Criteria 2.0 to ensure that people with disabilities can not only use our components but oversee how we design our application to meet the needs of the disabled. And then I'll talk a little bit about our process and how that leads to a better overall quality.